pushing it, we gotta speed it up. Our flake says that no one can keep it up. Increase the speed, cause the world is at our feet. Create and execute, cause the world is at our feet. Cause the world is at our feet.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Wow, a result it was a Royal AM defeating Kaizer Chiefs away from home. Not going to say much. You saw what you saw if you had watched the game. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always. Sir, what did you make of that game?
Yes, sir. Ngibulise Justice. The legendary Selima Tunes. Tugu Makhanya. Ngibulise umntana ka Ramaruma mfethu Machaka. Benedicto. The legendary himself as well. Bafethu kunjani keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one. We try to fix South African football. Yeah, nguleko ivar ukuthi like I said to you yesterday ukuthi I don't see Kaizer Chiefs winning. Go prediction yethu. Though mina being predicted sort of it draw, but winner you can have so many players if you can't as a coach you shower a selection indlela odlala ngayo udlala move all star football whereby transition play yonke team ozadlala nayo izokudominate ngoba wena mawufaka ama midfield you just putting midfield ku team sheet yakho but the ground ini ama midfield akho they not gonna function. Going to this game simple nkuleko. Kaizer Chiefs I saw badlala sort of is confusing. 3 center back 3-4-3 ya confused their system 3-4-3 but sebeka nje kanjalo. Royal AM is sort of 4-3-3 the way John Matuka the way bekadlala ngakhona same CM. So Kaizer Chiefs they were playing ball mabathi abantu ba dominated. That's why I was debating mina nawe lento abayikhuluma ukuthi Chiefs against Sundowns last week. Chiefs were more Sundowns didn't dominate. Bakhuluma ngokuthi ama support the Chiefs if they can have a ball too much at the back it means they dominating. But circulate the ball at the back Chiefs. Any move yabo mawunga check njenga namhlanje playing at the back. They play bafuna lo mchita lo Cole Alexander when they get him he either play sideways or backwards and then he get the right back or wing back wing back ka right or left bafuna Saminkovic. So nange jelile ngonange mina nange ngisazokutshela nkuleko it was a blessing discussed probably for uNcobo ukuthi alimali lo mfana uNcobo lomncane ukuthi angena adlale showing off angasabi ukubiza ibhola nange is scared to call ibhola ngoba mawunga checka iChiefs at the back they playing ada badlala ugoalkeeper udlala long ball bafuna Saminkovic kama Pilar team no Kevich they must change badlala nge-false number 9. I don't understand nomuntu njenge target man is mawungamchecka when he's arriving South Africa be target man now bamise wide sometimes kuya yena lapha imiddle bachintsana yena nokhama very confusing yonke move eKaizer Chiefs namhlanje they play sideways bafuna cross imove yaba iqala ka right iphelele ka right imove yaba iqala from ka right ibe diagonal lento yenza ngapha ka right yangicaka uzosi responsibility mhlambe for uhlanti ayisibhola ngapha ku kick entoli it's surprising kululeko why ibhola mele develop all the way le ngapha inamba ngapha na front bebayenza kanjalo namhlanje play the back play Saminkovic you hold the ball or hit the ball phakathi either mele kuvela ukhama Billiard or kuvela uCole Alexander ibhola mele lekwelinye side bafuna cross even if there's a space here hold they're not going to use that space bafuna uke side in. I think instruction coach typical English football nakhona it doesn't have a structure, it's more direct and it's unbelievable.
What is he trying to achieve when he plays 3 center backs?
Ilento ukuthi is under pressure now defend of the season he can't put him on the bench uzabantu abaningi nathi masimfaka under pressure la nakhona umdlalisa lo mfana kaMakhi lo mfana is more for sweep uthawa uMakhisa yena bekukhalo songaphandle simple the coach supposed to do that namhlanje ngomchecka lo mfana lo beka create ama foul abhaya kusumuntu okumele amakhe 1-on-1 yes he can do but not akumelanga kube into like umuntu uzomambisana umuntu wakhe is more clever lo mfana ukwazi ukuread situation a sweeper yethu lihlabika kusolo sibeka kwazi kulo so namhlanje bekumele amakhe 1-on-1 akhavele side ngoba uhlanti mof uhamba i-wing back ehambayo ibhola lisasuka Kaizer Chiefs hlanti sekaseyafini i-Royal malifika le bhola badlala la uhlanti asuka khona mfana mele check ilento bebayenza today so malicheka lo mfana either i-1-on-1 must create a foul and then kuba nomuntu oza from deep either i-run yakho yayibhenda it becomes a problem eboxini ngoba mawungaba checka bekunama gap between ulo uKadoso uNcobo naye uThawa there was gaps ilento ama wing back yabo ibhola lasuka find uBloom useyafini Royal nayo hlanti. So in the middle as a whole, it's only one person, Alexander Cole. Ngoba ngamcheck udlala ngafront ngaflat 2, the flat 2 badlala unangu uyambona akuniki nikusukumaka akuniki ukudlala. So today mangambheka unangu bekazishafile. Cole Alexander melenzi dirty job also try mangamcheck abheka le ball lele atholakala eboxini la unangu melenze le yanto. But a wrong person is done. You can tell in finishing yakhe. You understand what is akusumuntu udlala motive. Going to Royal M abafana first 30 minutes.
Sorry, before you go to them, well done to Victor Letsoala, 2 goals. Congratulations, sir. Well done. We appreciate those kind of performances. Long may it continue as well. Royal M for you?
Going to Royal M abafana badlali i-4-3 range ngoba ngisho nkuleko. First 30 minutes they were nervous. I think we this thing probably like ngeke to nervousness ngoba you are mphinde ngisho kayi2 nervous or waiting for Chiefs. Mangit nervous ngibabukela ile game yabo nkuleko la wayi2 badlala. Nale game abayiwine ngepenalty were not convincing. Individually there's players that could take the game to Kaizer Chiefs. In reality, individual Mahlasela and way to be seen today. Potane, yes, last 30 minutes game iqalile now Letsoalo nalomfana number 20 Mashiane. Yeah, I've seen they were giving Kaizer Chiefs a problem ngoba 30 minutes I think instruction from coach oba ngisho or a bit nervous ukuthi Chiefs nje ubuya kuluzi ingaphakamisa but 30 minutes bayaphakamisa isandla whereby mangaba checker the play ngama department bona ke the play ball at the back if I go on move ngapha ka right balibusela phakathi I center back if somebody come from the middle bebaya badlala middle but develop from in the middle whereby wing back yabi yahambe mayihamba when they play in the middle le abantu aba front three bangena phakathi kambi wing back and then makadlala phakathi lo muntu odlala la phakathi he had to chip the ball kuba problem the spaces make smele makho Bloom ohlanti it become a problem problem ukuthi inkululeko it's ijive kakhulu ngoba inkinga kakhulu ngoba awusazi iKaizer Chiefs beyingasazi lo mfana lo mabadlala wing back either I cut it back or it goes straight epali and then inkinga you understand so
let's talk about a couple of things as well that are problematic. Nurkovic continuing on the left, what do you make of that? And 2, you are trailing 1-0. Unange gets injured, but you are putting in Uake.
Okay. Yeah, idento le ngithi yabona ama overrated kakhulu. Amina le salary mabangangibeka noncane lapha ebenchini bathi coach Kaizer Chiefs. Nomtsobitso C3 kanje. Once idlalile yabo. Ngale brain yethu lapha kufuna coordinator, not a coach that will put these players under pressure. You've got bakusanela ama player. Kufuna combination play. Selection yamshaya. Ngangamcheka wenza ama sapa wrong. Leka ake nayo le ukigen yes he was not that wa mara umkhiphi. He can bring something. Uyenzile ngeSundowns come unfit. Kula magame ayi2 bonakele. Mfaka uSkhothe umfake nayo. Why makakhipha ukigen every day ukhipha uSkhothe ufaka uSkhothe. Ngangamcheka lo mfana uSkhothe came in confident low thatha ama shot la kungamelanga uthathe khona la mele adlala I combination take shot ufuna ukuva like prove coach you understand another thing Manyama naye mangamcheka ngale penalty imlimazile mangene kuya ku-injury sharp nale penalty imlimazile amasapo aka wrong coach nyaka uNekovic mina uyazi ngizokubeka nje straight he is not a footballer he mina okay those are not footballers yabona if you can say khona the way sportless kickboxing lezangwenya zangakhahlela straight. No, okay, he's not a footballer nkuleko. He's scared to call for the baller. Amela. No.
Udlala ibhola South Africa okay. Udlala ibhola kuKaizer Chiefs. What do you mean he's not a footballer? Udlala ibhola kuKaizer Chiefs. uNurkovic udlala ibhola uyascora kuKaizer Chiefs.
Mangazi trailing 2-0. Unangu yalimala. Nangu was giving nothing. Lintwana le unqobo. You've got him on the bench. Ufaka umuntu defender too much ufaka lo mfana lo okay ukuthi uCole Alexander is far better because he can combine bekakwazi ukuthi combine today so faka kwake ibulala imove yonke unama center back ayi3 une wing back unhlanta kusi winger kusho ukuthi defender une wing back right kusho ukuthi uBloom also okay now Alexander Cole unoSaminokovic defender now how many defenders you only have two take my man you only have two attackers uvala yonke move Chiefs it doesn't give anything going forward even in front amoside engakabambambe wona is lazy sonkululeko all in all icoach mayiqedenza ifake sub kamabilisi yenzile le game against Baroka same ikhipha lemfana uDubi ifaka yena mabilisi mabilisi mamfaka uyadliwa coach you losing 3 you losing 2 fake attacker you rather unabantu abayi-3 center back abayi-1-on-1 ufuna ikudlala home yonke game wena idlala njenganamhlanje he's never been dominant. Abantu mababe honest man nama support Chiefs. Nangwenye ibhola leya is overrated. Abona mina Nkululeko I got attacked to people. Mina nyayimeli we ngikhulumayo. I don't mind to be attacking into umuntu abantu abangitshela. Stuart ngambukela adlala. He had players before Nkululeko that they were very responsible. We had Shaba. Ushaba he can take a responsibility. He scored the World Cup 2010 first goal. Konaba kunguti win Spain. Konaba Iniesta won play of the tournament. Abu Iniesta but he scored the first goal. He had a player that was master passing game experience as well. He had two Kune national team players. Tawa and Mashamaite said two center back bafana by then. Parker it is best. So I'm a players who are resistant. And now you need to take out the best out of these players. I can't. I'm signing I'm a player who combination. I'm a support come to less mentality. Cause even a starting 11 it's a problem. You understand? I understand the system of I go to some will shift left, move yabo maybe even left. Pegale call ipola in first 2 minutes I'll cross or right, or left. Meaning it didn't deflection the pace go pal. Umisela anga left ngoba ngapha linyawo ka left angeke likwazi ukuthi licross even normal middle you can't create a space no abantu bangathomsense joke but in reality bayibona if you going to be beaten 4 by Royal miceda ukuhlangana manje kude abantu mele babe nevar ne Royal they just relocated now elo ba ilento engihlale ngisho ngithi amanye ama chairman anongena ku football ngama wrong reason but chairman has just bought the team i-preseason seyidlulile now seyo football seyo ibe seyo value window period ngeke ngamquestiona and then i-team base assemble phithina ama players angabe khona mangacheck ihlep Celtics but they came in today they beat a team that always abantu they attack if we tell the reality in fact ukuthi labantu bahlangana manje Nkululeko uJohn Maduka team yakhe ayisegrand ngibukelile kuma game ethu but today after 30 minutes they look beka ne passing ba create ama chance more than Kaizer Chiefs
nna ke feletse ke matla ndifuna ukugoduka mina
yeah Nkululeko asizehlele
what's like what can we say to Kaizer Chiefs fans maybe the last question just being professional is maybe the pressure on the coach now. I suppose it's already there on social media. I've seen it now. You think it's only a matter of time for him now?
Mina nginotice leweze social media I don't want to entertain anyone ngoba abantu bakhuluma into abayifuna so any opinion yabo nyabahloniphi into engizoyisho mina ngisho lento engiyibona ngamehlo ami Stuart Baxter usifaka under pressure whereby Chiefs won ku Champions League curve last game Ata took over kumele abe professional experience coach sit there miyeka icedele lu Ata usifaka na pressure lapha ngena lapha iChiefs bewina noma ngabe bewina kanjani abantu bebanganandaba for sure ama numbers don't lie bewina ekugcineni wahlala lapha bamba 3 wabuya la kune cup whereby most leading at least simple MTN to dlala 3 games and final sure. He got lost out knocked off kulelo cup he had a chance uya equalizer ucela ukuya kuma penalty lottery a coach that is clever can't rely on penalties and then he came now udlala neBaroka leading the game at home 2-1 2-0 and then allow Baroka keeper defender ufaka yena okay wastoppa yonke move Baroka almost scored wonke ama game akuna game that is convincing so under pressure yakhe mina Nkululeko ayiqala today pressure from the
it builds up that's what I'm asking now today because I can't ask you after 2 games is he under pressure even after 3 games I can't really ask that question but I think now it's building up now the momentum is gathering something could happen there
abantu ba mele bazama ukuthi bas trust we're not saying we gods okanye ancestors okanye asazi kakhulu but uStuart no Kevin Hunt no Ernest it's similar type of coaches they cannot iChiefs nendlela ayidlala ngayo man bring umuntu ne technical team Chiefs must in future they need to learn this you bring according to identity ukhohle culture club players that you've signed look at the players that you've signed umcheck ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhlanganisa combination planning and philosophy yakhe izowasuitha those players now so ushawa intaining vela ngeke ngabe nenkinga angeke uba blame but now when they go mhlambe na ngenze example if going forward ngoba mina I don't think uzoba nenkinga even going forward and Royal yes engathi ayisi right going forward usazoba ne problem serious yeah
I'm so sorry yeah that was like one of my arguments as well at least Royal should be there for the taking but of course if they're struggling yeah you can wonder then go Swallows go Pirates and everyone else thank you very much for watching iDiskiTV, Diski Times and World Sports Betting thank you so much for watching us